this is my new hoist, motorcycle hoist for this thing. We got the garage done in the previous video. Now we're going to go ahead and assemble this hoist. Okay, first things first. We need standing off. That one, and probably scissors for stuff. There you go. Alright. Half of these nails weren't even nailed in properly while they're cutting it. Come, Jaxie. Come here, Jaxie. Have a look. What's this? Hey? What is it? Yeah. Alright, so instruction manual. Blah 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 before operation, yes we know. Simple stuff. That's who I got it from, by the way. Whose face is also, or whose face, business is also there. And this is the bag of bolts. Nothing special. I just put my hand on that to get what's in here. Oh, proper palm. There you go, right on the wrist. There you go. Just check all the bolts. And have a look at the manual. You ought to stick to using the fucking normal side. So I just want to point out that when I was wheeling it up, the actual stand was slightly over this side. So I just sort of shimmied it over. That way you can take out the underneath piece. I didn't show you the D-shackles before that go on. There. Obviously it's not industrial quality, but for what I want, it's fine. It does the job. Just the typical Italian motorcycle likes to leak. You're probably wondering, why is there all duct tape here? I get a rig and exhaust just for fun. And it's pretty loud. Take this off, it's pretty simple. You've got the left one, which is the lowest support, and then the right one. So what we do now is to lower it on the support bar, you slowly push it. Ta-da! So at my height, that's easy enough to work on. If I wanted to do a header, I could get under. You're gonna have to excuse my voice, it's a little funny. No, I don't have COVID. One of the kids come home with a cold and I'm just starting to get it now. This is the air pressure line that you've got to be careful it doesn't actually get up under it. So overall, look, I paid 600 odd bucks for this, 670 I think it was, including delivery. Obviously I tried to match the red from the Aprilia with the red from this. I could have got it in blue or black, but I decided, come on, with the tiles and the garage set up now, red works, it does its job. So this, yeah, I suppose I should talk about, this is my new bike. I've had it for 3 months now. I've done nothing to it except just order parts and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, because an Italian bike requires Italian parts. Coming from Italy, we have a GPR exhaust on its way, which is a GPR Ghost. It'll come from here up and split, so I can put the stock pieces on over here. Oh look, she's already dropped a piece of oil. How Italian.